To add a custom domain in Netlify, first, open Netlify and go to the Domain section on the left. Click on Add or Register Domain. Choose the option Add a domain you already own. If you don't have one yet, you can register a new domain directly from here. But I already have one, so I'll type it in and click Verify. Once it's verified, click Add Domain. You'll now see two options. Let's start with DNS records. This method lets you keep your current name servers. Click Add New Record. Choose Type A. For the name, use @ to point to the root domain. For the value, enter the IP address provided by Netlify. Click Save. Next, add another record. This time, choose Type C name. Set the name as www. Then, point it to your Netlify subdomain. That's usually something like yoursite.netlify.app. Replace that with your actual site name and save. Now go to your domain registrar, like Hostinger, GoDaddy, or any other registrar. Find the DNS settings for your domain. Add the same A record and C name record you just added in Netlify. Once they match, go back to Netlify and continue. Click Done. Now let's look at the easier method. Go back to the domain settings in Netlify and click Activate Netlify DNS. You'll get a list of name servers. Copy those name servers and go to your domain registrar. In the Name Server section, choose Change Name Servers. Replace the current ones with the Netlify ones. Save the changes. Then return to Netlify and click Done. After a short wait, your domain will be connected. Now your custom domain is linked to your Netlify site. You can use whichever method works best for you. Thanks for watching.